Hello guys, my name is Ali from DigiDev YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel to give us more energy. This lesson is about how to show an image or how to use image tag in HTML5. At the first, I put an image inside my project folder. This is the image, and now I want to show it in the HTML. The standard way is use a figure in HTML5. This is good for your SEO to use a figure. And now use an img tag. We have an src, it means source, which is my image. Okay, I said capture.png. Where is it? Here. Now we have alt. We should write something describe our picture. For example, this is a camera picture, and now I write camera. Camera. This part describe our picture to Google crawlers, because Google crawlers can't see the pictures, and we should use this to say the Google crawler for our SEO. This is a camera picture. Now I want to test my code. Did you see? And this is again is useful for example, if our image will not load. For example, I destroy my link. Did you see? Here said this is a camera, but it's not load because the URL is not okay. The next one is title. Title is an attribute for, you can use it for 90% of tags in HTML. For example, I wanna describe my picture when my mouse hover the picture. This is a camera from Sony. Okay. Did you see when I hover and move and hold my cursor inside my cursor on the image, my title will be shown. We have something for figure, we call it fig caption, to write a text for our image and show it to the client. This is show always when the site load, not like title. You should hover the image. Okay, I wanna set you can buy this camera from the store. Did you see? It's write a text for our image. This is a standard of use your images in HTML5, but you can use your image this way. It's not wrong way, but it's not good. It's more common to use a figure to show your image. Did you see? Nothing changed, and it's show. Okay guys, this is the images. Images are so easy, and we don't need to give you more details because I told you all of the details about image tag. Have a good time and goodbye.